Today I'm going to share with you how to make garlic butter noodles. These garlic butter noodles are so addicting and I can eat them anytime. They're also really simple to make, made with only a handful of ingredients. And they always hit the spot every time I'm craving noodles. So let's get started. I'm going to begin by mincing up 1 head of garlic, which is about 12 cloves. I know this may seem like a lot of garlic for some, but this recipe is called garlic butter noodles. So we better be able to taste the garlic. If you guys are new to my channel, please like and subscribe so that you could support me to continue to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. Now let's get the pasta going. Here I have 16 ounces of pappardelle pasta from Trader Joe's. These are one of my favorite noodles and they really go well with this recipe, but you could use whatever long noodles you prefer, such as spaghetti. I did have to purchase 2 packages because each package is 8 ounces. We love these noodles so much that 1 package was not enough for my family. Plus, they make for great leftovers. I usually pack some up in a thermos for my son's lunch, and he always looks forward to having it at school. Also, don't forget to watch until the end to see my family's reaction to the taste test. I'm just going to continue to cook the pasta according to the package instructions, and then I'm going to drain them and set them aside. Now I'm going to melt 1 stick, which is equal to 1/2 cup of butter. And I'm just going to let this melt over medium heat. And yes, we're going to need all this butter to make the sauce for our pasta. Once the butter has completely melted, we're going to add in the minced garlic. And honestly, is there anything better than garlic butter? I could just probably drink this sauce up. Just kidding. When I melted the butter, I forgot to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, so here it goes. And I'm going to continue to cook this between medium-low to low heat for about 5 minutes. You want to be really careful with the garlic. We don't want it to burn because we don't want bitter garlic in our noodles. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of soy sauce. And this is going to add another dimension of flavor. The first time I ever had garlic noodles was at a restaurant called Kick and Crab, and they were so delicious. So good that I needed to create a recipe that was similar to that. And these garlic butter noodles are my go-to recipe when I'm craving noodles. I'm going to go ahead and season the sauce with some salt. We don't need too much because remember we have soy sauce in here. But we're going to add a good amount of pasta to this, and this dish is supposed to be savory. Now I'm going to stir in our noodles. I like to have these noodles just on its own, but some great additions would be a fried egg, or what my husband had suggested, some sauteed shrimp. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I know it's kind of weird, soy sauce mixed with Parmesan cheese, but honestly, this works. And when you try it, you're going to understand. And as always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. All right, it's time to eat, and I'll have to show you guys what I love to serve this with. I love cilantro, but my kids don't, so I'm adding lots of cilantro to mine. Along with some green onions, but this is totally optional. And gotta have some red crushed pepper flakes for some heat. Look at this, so flavorful, so comforting. I could eat this anytime.
1, 2, 3, cheers!
Out of the park.
Ooh, out of the park.
Delicioso.
Did I have cilantro on my lip?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.